Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify to Google Merchant Center. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we need to add our sales channel. So to do so, you will need just to go either to your settings panel and then go to the sales channel from here and then go to Shopify App Store, or you can simply go to the apps and from here you can click on apps in sales channel and it will take you directly to your sales channel panel. So from here you will need just to go and click on Shopify App Store. Basically what we are interested in is the Google one. We need just to click on the Google and install it, and then we will be able to start connecting our Shopify to Google items or Google services. We are going to click on install. We need just to wait for the application to finish its installation process. After that, you will be able to start connecting your Google account. So as you can see, now you can show your products on Google for free, etc. Now, all you need to do is to connect to Google account and then you can connect it to your Google Merchant Center. You add your Google account and then you can start allowing, and now you will be able to start connecting your Google with Merchant Center or your Google accounts. As you can see, you can connect it from here. So, or you can just create a new one. So basically, you can create an account, you can add it from here, and then you can start doing processing items or exchanging your products, orders, etc. So simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.